Kid. Episode 16. A big loud bird. It was early in the afternoon. He was just waking up from a nap. He stretched his arms wide. Kid looked down at bird nest, but was still asleep. Kid looked up the sky. He saw something in the air. It was a bird flying over the park. The bird was very big. "Oh no!" cried Kid. "Is that another hawk?" The bird was very loud. "Honk, honk!" it cried. It was coming closer into the tree, and it was getting louder. "Bird!" cried Kid. "Bird!" cried the big loud bird. "Bird!" said Kid. He was confused. Just then Bird woke up. "Wake up, Goose!" called Bird. "Goose!" said Kid. Now Kid was even more confused. "But," said Kid, "do you know this bird?" "Yes," said Bird. "She's my old friend, Goose."